WV900 from Nacecare is a humongous 45-liter wet-dry vacuum cleaner. It is big and it's very good. Why is it good? Because it's a Nacecare. Now Nacecare and Numatic have been around for commercial vacuums for a very, very long time. They're very reliable machines. This particular model here has a couple of very unique and quirky features. It does have a very long 42-foot commercial cord, but as soon as you get it out of the box, you're going to notice a contraption in here. As far as this is concerned, this is a 1,000-watt motor that does 110 inches of water lift. Now this is going to sit here. First things you're going to notice, again right out of the box, is a float. In here you have, I'll show you this. In here you have nothing. It's just a bucket. And that's all there's supposed to be in there. However, there's a couple of unique features, because if you have that much water in a bucket, it's going to tend to be very heavy and awkward. And there's a couple of ways you can dispose of the water. One is a drain that comes with it, so you could just leave it there as you would like to dispose of the liquid. And or if you wanted to tip the machine over, you have the option to do that by using this handle here and then allowing it to, pretty straightforward. You have metal casters at the front, big wheels at the back. This has its own cart built into it basically. And when it comes to dry applications, you have a filter again to make sure the motor is protected from dirt and dust. That's pretty much all there is to it. Nothing fancy. Now, both these filters are obviously included when you purchase the machine. If you're using it predominantly as a dry vacuum cleaner, keep that filter in there. And for any reason, anytime you're using it as a wet vacuum cleaner, you're going to remove that filter and put this float instead. Now, as far as attachments are concerned, very straightforward. By the way, this is just really easy to move around. I'll show you how that works. Just like any other Nacecare, the hose screws onto the body. Obviously, you will be using this for wet applications. You get a very large 14-inch squeegee to go with it, as well as for your dry applications, you get a brush roll. This is a bare floor tool. As long as it's a 1.5-inch neck, you're good. And that could be anything from a combination floor tool or another brush for bare floors, or another squeegee if you have anything else in mind. Again, 1.5-inch neck is all you need. It is made in the UK. It is a Numatic Nacecare. So as far as reliability is concerned, I'm not sure what else can beat this. Also has a very powerful motor, which is very quiet and very efficient. I don't think there is much I've missed. It's a pretty straightforward machine, but if you do have any questions, call us toll free 1-877-220-5656. We are also the warranty and the service center for Nacecare. We ship these free of charge all over Canada. We have a secured website. Thank you.